Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into your PSN account and set this console as your primary Ps5 so sharing features unlock properly. Once done, update the system software to avoid compatibility errors and check HDCP rules. Disable HDCP only when required for capture devices. Next, open Settings and configure broadcast settings. Choose resolution, privacy level, and mic input. These steps ensure your share button activates the correct options and prevent common stream failures. Press the Create or Share button on your DualSense to open share options, then select Share Screen or Broadcast, depending on whether you want local streaming or a platform stream. Next, pick your capture method, a connected capture card or native streaming to YouTube/Twitch. Make sure you authorize accounts and set bitrate and resolution for stability. Adjust the audio mix so game, microphone, and party chat are balanced. This prevents viewers from hearing either nothing or an overwhelming mic. Once configured, start the share. Finalize by confirming your network connection. Use wired Ethernet when possible and test upload speed. Aim for at least 5 Mbps for stable 720p streaming. Make sure background apps are closed to free resources and let the stream stabilize for a minute. If you encounter a black screen, lag, or dropped frames, restart the Ps5 and capture device. As a key troubleshooting tip, toggle HDCP off and on. Reauthorize the streaming platform and reset HDMI/capture cables because connection faults often mimic software errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.